Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an abacus for division. First, clear your abacus completely. Then, set up your problem by placing the dividend on the far right side of the abacus. Next, place the divisor on the far left side, leaving several empty columns in the middle for your quotient. This clear separation helps organize your workspace for the calculation. Now, let's begin the division. Look at the leftmost digits of your dividend and compare them to your divisor. Determine how many times the divisor can go into that segment. Place this first quotient digit in the designated middle section of your abacus. Then, multiply this quotient digit by your divisor and carefully subtract the product from the dividend on the right. To continue, shift your attention to the next set of digits in the dividend, including any remainder from the previous step. Repeat the process. Compare, find the next quotient digit, place it, multiply by the divisor, and subtract from the dividend. Keep working from left to right until all digits of the original dividend have been processed. Once you have completed all the steps, the number represented by the beads in the middle section of your abacus is your final quotient. If there are any beads left on the far right, that indicates your remainder. With a little practice, you will find that using the abacus makes division a very clear and intuitive process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.